Hello guys, this is Caleb Bernard Joshua Lego, and today is March 11, 2025. And today is Tuesday, and this is my WRP 0206 section 101, and my instructor in this WRP is Miss Ann Lawrence Reyes, and this is for my WRP week 8 1. And I'm doing this video without editing, and I'm using this whiteboard to prevent cheating, that some student could cut their video and just pass it on their board, on their multiple WRPs. And I'm not that type of student. I want fair and square activity, and I'm doing this video without editing. And this is my ID, Caleb Bernard HR Lego. and today is we're gonna do a barangay advocacy program video that I need to explain the problems of in my barangay. And I'm doing this video without any códigos and just coming from my mind, because I will tell stories from my barangays. First, I think the problem, think of the current projects that are existing in your community. Identify area where you think that need to be improved in your barangay. For student living in dormitories, you can observe the youth belt area. Create a 1 to 2 minute promotional video of your proposed project advocacy solution that can improve your community. And think of a project that existing there are many projects existing in my barangay, such as project for cleanliness that is currently existing, like every morning actually it's not every morning, every other day, 3 days, a truck of waste truck, a truck of waste is circulating our barangay to collect our barangay's waste and residential waste. And there are a project called Tupad, I think, where designated people are cleaning our barangay with their using a broom and some trash bins. Yes, they're swiping the street around my barangay, and they are getting paid, I think, weekly. I don't know. That's the current project that I know that are existing in my barangay. And I think identify the areas where you need to be improved for your barangay. And I think things that need to be improved in my barangay is first, traffic. During school hours, what you call this, going out of the student, the streets are pretty crowded with all the e-bikes, tricycles, cars, motorcycles, on all. And I think our barangay should have I should deploy barangay tanods to prevent the clogging of our street because of crowded time or rush hour. And to do that, they need to do a seminar with the tanods with our MMDAs and the DPWH for them to properly know how to manage traffic, even a little, to reduce the effects of traffic in our barangay. Number 2 is the electrical wires are getting out of hand. Like there are many wires in our post, and some are not working anymore. And I think that problem should be addressed in our barangay. And create 1 to 2 minute promotional video of your proposed budget advocacy solution that can improve your community. I think the advocacy project that can improve my barangay or community is that to have a more specific ways on how barangay could directly help the citizens, residences in my barangay on our problems such as electrical wires and traffics and unscheduled water interruption. Those are the things that are very important these days, especially in weathers like this that is very hot. And our chairman can improve that by communicating with his fellow citizens, because only we as a barangay can solve our problem if we talk about it as a one, and we work as a one. We all work as a one. And that's all. I really like this topic that because I can share the infos of my barangay with you. And by the way, I am living in Barangay 31, Maypao, Caloocan City, South Caloocan City. And my barangay is very happy barangay, and I love to live here. And I would be happy for Tamaraws to come here in our barangay, and I will welcome you all in our humble house if we have some time. And Miss, thank you. And that's all. Again, Miss, this is my without this video is not I made this video without cutting or editing this video. Thank you, Miss. Bye bye.